केएल राहुल के साथ जो चल रहा है उस पर आपकी क्या राय है?
मैं वो प्रोग्राम देखा नहीं यार, तो मेरे लिए
I'm
बोलना
also going to
मुश्किल है।
request my friends from the audience because we
मैं
have
वो
very
जरूर
little
देख
time.
लेता हूँ,
So,
कॉमेडी नाइट्स विद कपिल।
अरे
बाकी प्रोग्राम मैंने देखा नहीं यार।
सर एक सवाल और है कि क्रिकेट को जेंटलमैन गेम माना जाता है। क्या आपको लगता है यही वजह है कि जो जिस तरह से अगर उनके जो स्टेटमेंट है उनको बहुत सोच समझ के क्रिकेटर्स को देना चाहिए, और महिलाओं के बारे में जो कही गई है बात, आपने एपिसोड हालांकि नहीं देखा है लेकिन एक मैं जनरल परसेप्शन आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि
कभी जब घर में बेटी होती है ना और वो टीवी देखती है तो ये एडवांटेज होता है, तो कहीं कहीं शोज आपके मिस हो जाते हैं।
लेकिन मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे क्रिकेटर को जो माना जाता है कि जेंटलमैन गेम है और उनकी बातों को बहुत सीरियसली लिया जाता है, और अभी माना जा रहा है कि यंगस्टर इस पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, तो उस पर आपका एज ए सीनियर क्या कहना है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, आप जनरलाइज नहीं कर सकते। यू नो somebody, you know, people make mistakes, you know. Let's not get too far into that, and I am sure whoever has done it will realize and will come out as a better person. We are all human beings. We are not machines that everything you put in comes out perfect. So you just got to live life and let others live. So you know, they are responsible people. As they said, they are humans. They may be role models, but they are under pressure all the time to perform. And certain things happen, and I think as everyone, we should move on and make sure that it doesn't happen again.
But Saurabh, what difference do you find, Saurabh here, what difference do you find in the earlier cricketers and the cricketers now, you know, the freshers, like on par with being obedient and etc. etc.?
No, modern day cricketers are also obedient, you know. You know, in life certain things happen, you make mistakes, so let's not get too far into that. I think, but modern day players are all, look at Virat Kohli, you know, he's such a fantastic role model. So, you know, every generation has, India is a fortunate country, you know, every generation produces players who all of us cherish. You know, there was Gavaskar. When Gavaskar went, people thought, who's next? Then came Tendulkar. Now, when Tendulkar finished, people thought, who next? It's Virat Kohli. So, we're a very fortunate country in terms of the sport, and a lot of these cricketers are fantastic human beings because they come from very middle class backgrounds and they fight their way up. You know, can you imagine 11 selected out of the millions who play the game? You know, there are 37 states who play cricket, and they all have such exceptional talent that, you know, to get to be picked for those that 11 in the national team and to play for 15, 16 years is absolutely special. So they're humble, they know where it is because that's reality. You know, if you don't score, somebody else comes in. What you did last year has got nothing to do with this year. So that's what life is all about. So they're very humble. You know, every now and then one or two makes mistakes, but you know, I know most of them personally, and they're great guys.
thank you so much. Can I please request our friends from the media, because we have a very little time limited with us. Can we please have some film questions?
Rohini,
do you have? Yeah.
My question is Saura only.
Yes.
Has Alt Balaji approached you for making a biopic on your life? Alt Balaji.
Is it? See, I'm not very familiar with film production companies. So, is it Miss Ekta Kapoor?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've spoken to her, but nothing more than that. Nothing more than that.
22 Yards, the film, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions?
Mitali,
I'm going to bring this back again and again, yeah?
Mitali?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. On your
Mitali,
left.
on the right there, on
Right.
top, yeah?
Hi.
Thanks.
Did you ever want to, you know, Sarah, make a special appearance in your film or a scene or something like that? Will we see him in the film?
I would love to make him a special appearance, but since I know him, I know that he will not. So
also film ko hit bhi banana hai. She has to give a hit also. So
Come on.
Varun,
when you have
what?
somebody as fit and handsome as Varun and the cast, she doesn't need anybody.
Yeah, your question for Barun?
Varun, what nuances you had to pick up for this character?
So, there was no specific course that we charted or anything like that. So I think we went with me understanding the psychology of the whole game and then the agents, how they function, because they're very, very far away from how the cricketers perform. They're on the monetary end of the whole thing. So ours was as the whole thing was written, and how we every day how we shot it.
Varun, why such a long gap between your films? Like your last film came in 2017, if I'm not wrong. So are you choosy?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
So your last film came in 2017.
And that was last year practically.
So
yes.
they are saying they won't even give you time to shoot also. एक फिल्म बनाने में 1 साल लग ही जाता है.
Yeah.
Mithali, what was the criteria of choosing Barun?
Oh,
He's known as the heartthrob of the idiot box, though.
I think he's
How
a
sweet are you? You're such a delight. Where are you? Why can't I see you?
I've written many articles and spoken to you.
Okay. But I can see you right now, so maybe later.
So yeah, I know that he's the heartthrob. Why idiot box? He should be the heartthrob of millions and big screen also. And he's a fantastic actor. I have seen certain episodes of his show, and the character demanded a good actor and also handsome. So in both the categories he fit in.
रिस्पेक्ट विमेन, क्योंकि अभी अभी हमारे एक क्रिकेटर ने
जी बिल्कुल
कहा था, पता है कि मैं
बिल्कुल
क्या
उसके बारे में आपसे जानना
कि
चाहेंगे
एक कहा था
मतलब कितना
पंड्या ना
जी
हार्दिक पांड्या जी ने कहा था कि मैं कि मैं लड़की को पीछे से देखता हूँ, अगर मुझे पीछे अच्छा लगता है तो मैं माँ को जाके बोलता हूँ कि आज मैं करके आया हूँ. मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ. पीछे से कभी कभी लड़का भी अच्छा दिखता है, तो अगर लड़की नहीं लड़का हुआ तो आप क्या करेंगे. बट मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैंने एक स्लोगन बनाया है हैशटैग भी बेटी के लिए कि मैं हूँ हैशटैग बेटी, मैं फिल्मों में आगे बढ़ने के लिए कभी नहीं लेटी, और मैं हूँ एंटरटेनमेंट की बेटी. तो प्यार करते रहिए इस बेटी से भी. थैंक यू. अच्छे दिल के साथ हिंदुस्तान की बेटी के लिए मैं इसे बढ़ावा देती हूँ और इसे सपोर्ट करती हूँ, और हिंदुस्तान की बेटी को और लोगों को यही एक ही बात ही कहना चाहती हूँ कि बेटियों को बढ़ावा दे, भ्रूण हत्या ना हो, और रिस्पेक्ट विमेन, क्योंकि अभी अभी हमारे एक क्रिकेटर ने
जी बिल्कुल
कहा था, पता है कि मैं
बिल्कुल
क्या
उसके बारे में आपसे जानना चाहेंगे
कि एक कहा था
मतलब कितना
पंड्या ना
जी
हार्दिक पांड्या जी ने कहा था कि मैं लड़की को पीछे से देखता हूँ, अगर मुझे पीछे अच्छा लगता है तो मैं माँ को जाके बोलता हूँ कि आज मैं करके आया हूँ. मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ.
अब मैं कौन हूँ? I have really nothing to say about it. It is his बट आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने गर्ल्स को मतलब रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दिया है, जो उनके कमेंट्स थे वो काफ़ी इररिस्पेक्टफुल थे. I would really want to say one thing. They are public figure. They are literally idols of India. तो थोड़ा सोच समझ कर बोले तो अच्छा रहेगा. Thank you so much.
करण कॉफी विद करण के शो पे एक कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही थी आपके फ्रेंड हार्दिक पांड्या को लेकर. कुछ
आपको कैसे पता मेरे फ्रेंड है?
आई मीन जो खबर है हमारे पास हम वही बताते हैं.
तो जिनसे खबर मिली उन्हीं से बात करिए. आगे नेक्स्ट.
मैम हार्दिक पांड्या made a very comment against women. What is your take on that?
I'll say in general, I think no man should think that he's ever I don't think women should compare themselves to men. We are the most superior breed. I'm not going to take any offense, but why don't you give a birth and then you'll realize? Why don't you get your periods every 5 days, and on their periods dance like this, go to your office, handle your kids? If you can do all of that, then you are a superior breed. But I just don't think anyone should be a misogynist and speak ill about any woman, whether even if you think that your parents are okay with it. I don't think humanity is okay with it.
जो कॉफी विद करण शो में हार्दिक पांड्या और के राहुल ने कमेंट किया, डेरोगेटरी कमेंट किया, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कितना इररिस्पांसिबल कमेंट है? और
मैं seriously, honestly, if I tell you, no, seriously, if I honestly tell you, I haven't seen the episode. I believe it has been pulled down also. I've been trying to find those comments and I've been trying to see that video. I haven't seen it yet. But if there are any comments that are misogynistic in nature, well, they must be cut down. Absolutely.
Okay, also आप लोग के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे. काफी स्पेशल प्लान किया था स्पेशली?
स्पेशल प्लान किया था, मैं बताता हूँ क्या प्लान किया था। मैं पैर पे पैर रख के बाहर इनका इंतजार कर रहा था आधे घंटे 40 मिनट तक। उसके बाद मैडम आई इस कदर तैयार होकर, एंड आई वाज वेयरिंग माय बॉम्बर जैकेट एंड माय टी शर्ट एंड माय टॉन जीन्स एंड एवरीथिंग। मैंने कहा यार ये लोग तो मजाक उड़ाएंगे मेरा, मैं अगर वहाँ गया तो।
कुछ भी नहीं यार, आज मैं बहुत दिनों बाद तैयार हुई हूँ। मैं पिछले इतने दिनों से शूटिंग करी थी, मैं सूट ही पहनती थी। मैंने कहा आज मैं कुछ अलग लगना चाहती हूँ, तो मैंने थोड़ा टाइम ले लिया एंड आई केम आउट लाइक।
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.